Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL 18 DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn PostgreSQL 18 PG crypto encryption tutorial. So this will run with the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and there will encrypt and decrypt the data. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here is the complete hands-on step-by-step guide to the install Postgres 18 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and enable and configure the pgcrypto and clearly show how pgcrypto behaves before and after the installation with real examples. So in this video we'll learn install the Postgres 18 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, configure the PostgreSQL for the local and remote access, and test crypto PG crypto before installing its fail and install and enable PG crypto, and there is a test PG crypto after installing its work and real encryption example. So there is hashing, digest, password, random UUID, and symmetric encryption and decryption. PG's crypto and decrypt. So your server details will be there. In my case, my server details is there. I'm running with the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Postgres will use the 18 and server IP address is 192.168.136.128 and password I'm using admin@123. So my both the servers are running with the viewer workstation. This is the local server and this will I'll use for the remote access server. So copy this CMD. So home SSH DPT @128. So this is one IP address. Let me copy this. So sudo su. So this is a server one. Server one 128. So IP address and I need another server. So that is 129. I'll check with the remote and remote access from there. Sudo su. So already I have told you how to give the remote access. So here just for the testing, I'm just going through this one also server to 129. Change the tab color. This will be red and this is the black. So I'll go through the 128 server. This is the my main server. So we have accessed this. First we'll update the server packages. So optional reboot is kernel update. If you are updated the kernel, then you have to reboot that. So update. Next, we'll move for the install the curl CS certificates and requirements. So we'll go through this. Already installed. Now I'm going to use the pgdg script for the installing the latest version of PostgreSQL. So enter to continue. So this is installed. So after installing that, update the package again because we have changed the source list also. So sudo apt update. So update is completed. Now I'm going to install the Postgres 18. So sudo apt install -y. Then we'll write the PostgreSQL 18 PostgreSQL client /18 and final will be the PostgreSQL minus contrib libraries contrib. Okay. So 18. I'm going to install all the things. So after installing this, we'll just check the status and enable the Postgres. So for the auto start. So this is active and running. Now I'll enable for the auto start. Enable. So let me check the PostgreSQL version. PSQL minus version. So we are running with the PostgreSQL 18. Now let me log in. So sudo -i -u my -u pogres enter and tsql. So here we'll check select version. Okay, SCLE select. So we're running with the PostgreSQL 18.1 and PGDG 24.04 LTS server. So this is done. Now, after this, I'm going to change my PostgreSQL password. So I'll write the command alter user. My username is postgres and with password, and I'll put the password here. For the testing purpose, I'm giving admin at the rate 123. Now enter. Okay. /q and exit from the Postgres user. So after that, we'll configure the PostgreSQL for the remote access. So let me open the PostgreSQL configuration file. Control W. There is a address is there, and this one I'll change to extract. After that, I'll just go for the pghbf file configuration. Go to the end. You can copy one of the line, or I will just put this line. This is the same. All host, all databases, all user, and this is the 136 segment all the IPs. So Control X, Y, and enter. So after changing all the things with configuration file, you should restart your Postgres server. Okay. So now if you want to check the status, so you can check, and this is active and running. Next, allow the firewall port 5432. So now I'm going to allow the firewall port and reload. In my case, firewall is not enabled, so that doesn't matter. But if you allow and firewall is enabled, then this should be allow is very important. So now I'll test the connection with the client. So go to the client machine, and here I'll use sudo apt install -y and client. Then now I'll try to connect my database server from 129. Okay, so command with the psql -h host name. So host name is 192.168.136.128. Okay, -u. My user is postgres and database -d postgres. So default database I am going to access admin at the rate 123. So this will be accessible from the server 2. Okay, exit. Now come to server 1. Now crypto hands-on before installation. So let me log in PostgreSQL. So after doing this one, I will check, select, digest, oh, hello, and then 256. So no function matches the given name and the argument type. You need to add explicit typecast. Okay. So we are getting the error. Now we are installed and enable the pgcrypto extension. So there is a create extension pgcrypto. So then done. Then slash dx. So here you can see pgcrypto 1.4 default version 1.4 schema public and description is the cryptographic functions. So this line. So we have done this one. Okay, hands-on PG crypto after installation. What we'll do, I'll just create the hexadecimal like this you will get, and we can encrypt the password with the salt BF, and output will get verify the password check. So false. So there is a select crypto. This is not equal to crypto admin at the 123 and salt BF. So correct way is this font effect. So real example crypto and decrypt column data PGP symmetric. So create a simple table. I'm not creating the databases. I'm just going to the Postgres database. So enter and insert some encrypted data. So you can this data is readable here. When we insert this data and I'm going to try to read select extract from employee. So we are getting the data like this. Means name is there, uh, this one email address is there, and there is a salary is there, and the details are there. Okay. So now view the store encrypted data. We can run this command. So we are getting the data. Now you will see the unreadable binary. So encrypted data we are getting. So use the PGP SYM decrypt and encrypted column and key. So we'll run this command and we'll key is the admin at the rate 123. We'll use this one same key, and when we'll run this one, you can able to see all the details. One Ali Khan, Ali personal notes and remote promotion next month. Okay, but in a direct database, you are not able to get the data, and here we are using the key for getting the data. Okay, so you'll see the original secret nodes and so before and after. So hash data, digest error, and encrypted data, PGSY encrypt also will get an error. So after enabling the PG crypto, hash data works, encrypted data works, and decrypted data is also works. So this is completed. Now, if you want to remove the PG crypto, then you can follow the next step And if you are So disclaimer is that all trademarks logo names belongs to their respective owner. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.